Ladies and gentlemen, we will now commence the cake cutting ceremony. Please rise for the entry of the traditional birthday cake.
Tomboko lahy sy tomboko vavy, hiditra amin'ny lanonana fanapahana mofomamy isika izao. Manasa anareo mba hitsangana araka ny fomba fanao mahazatra eo ampidiran'ny mofomamy.
Each year, wherever duty takes them, Marines pause to celebrate their birthday by sharing a cake and usually a holiday meal. A sword is used to cut the cake as a reminder that they are a band of warriors committed to carrying the sword so that our nation may live in peace. It is traditional, excuse me, go ahead.
Na dia tolotry ny asa aza ireo marinina dia tsy maintsy manokana fotoana ankalazany tsingeritaonany amin'ny alalan'ny fanapahana mofomamy sy fiaraha-misakafo izy ireo. Sambatra no ampiasaina hanapahana mofomamy ho fampatsiahivana ny mahandiana mpiady azy ireo izay efa nanolo-tena hitondra zavatra mba hisiany fandriampahalemana eo amin'ny firenena.
It is traditional that the first slice of the Corps' birthday cake be presented to the guest of honor, and the next piece to the oldest Marine present, followed by the youngest Marine present.
Fomba fanao mahazatra ny manolotra ny ampahany voalohany amin'ny mofomamy ny vahiny manam-boninahitra, ary ny ampahany manaraka kosa dia atolotra ny marinina zokiny indrindra tonga eto, izay arahan'ny marinina zandriny indrindra tonga eto.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first piece of cake is being presented to our guest of honor, Mr. Michael Pelletier, U.S. Ambassador to Madagascar and the Union of the Comoros.
Tomboko lahy sy tomboko vavy, atolotra ny vahiny manam-boninahitra Andriamatoa Michael Pelletier, maso-ivo Amerikana eto Madagasikara sy any Komoro, ny ampahany voalohany amin'ny mofomamy.
The second piece is presented to the oldest Marine present, signifying the honor and respect accorded to experience and seniority. The oldest Marine present today is Staff Sergeant Ethan Osborne, who was born on 26 February 1991 and joined the Marine Corps 23 July 2009, where he was subsequently assigned to 2nd Battalion, 3rd Marine Regiment, Kaneohe Bay, Hawaii.
Ny ampahany faharoa kosa dia atolotra ny zokiny indrindra marinina izay tonga eto, izay midika ho fanomezam-boninahitra sy fanajana ny traikefa sy ny fizokiana. Ny zokiny indrindra marinina tonga eto ary dia ny Sergeant Chef Ethan Osborne, teraka ny 9 Febroary 1970 ary niditra tao amin'ny Corps des Marines ny 13 Jolay 1970. Nalefa avy hatrany tany amin'ny 2e Bataillon 3e Régiment de Marine tany Kaneohe Bay, Hawaii izy.
Symbolically, the eldest Marine present passes a piece of cake to the youngest Marine present, just as for 244 years, the experienced Marines have nurtured and led young Marines who will fill the ranks and renew the Corps. The youngest Marine present this afternoon is Lance Corporal Gretchen Anderson, who was born on 14 September 2000, joined the Marine Corps on 4 March 2019, and is currently assigned to Marine Security Guard Detachment, Antananarivo, Madagascar.
Marika famantarana ny fanoloran'ny marinina zokiny indrindra tonga eto ny ampahany amin'ny mofomamy ho an'ny marinina zandriny indrindra izay tonga eto, toy ny tamin'ny faha-420 sy 900 taona izay namahanana sy nitarihan'ireo marinina manana traikefa ireo marinina zandriny izay ameno laharana sy hanavaony vondron-tafika. Ny marinina zandriny indrindra tonga eto dia ny Caporal suppléant Gretchen Anderson izay teraka ny 14 septambra taona 2000 niditra ho marina ny 4 martsa 2010 sy 2000 ary miasa eto amin'ny détachement Marine Security Guard eto Antananarivo Madagasikara izy. Manasanao amin'izao fotoana izao anaraka ao anaty boky kely ny afaka entin'ny commandant du détachement.
To be a Marine is to be part of something that represents the best in our nation. It is to accept a way of life that demands selfless service and to defend those who cannot defend themselves. To thrive in the hardship and personal sacrifice expected of an elite warrior organization. To march towards the sound of the guns and to ably shoulder the tremendous heritage created by those who have gone before us. Only a few Americans choose the dangerous but necessary work of fighting our nation's enemies. As a consequence of that choice, some have already paid the ultimate price, joining the honor roll of heroes who built a noble legacy for our Corps. For those of us who carry on that legacy, it is our obligation to honor the fallen. As you enter the venue this evening, you should have noticed that stands before us a single table draped in black, signifying our fallen who are no longer with us today. They have already given the full measure of devotion both to our country and to our Corps. A single candle reminds us of the flame of eternal life, and that the memory of our fallen will be with us, always. The Purple Heart Medal is displayed to represent the shedding of blood and the ebb of life in battle. The identification tags are blank, and yet they could bear the name of any service member here tonight. The dinner setting is inverted, for they may break bread with us in spirit only. As we gather in celebration of the Marine Corps and its history tonight, we gather in the shadows of greatness. Though our fallen can no longer participate in our traditions, they will always be a part of us and who we are. Through meaningful remembrance, the sacrifice of those who have gone before will not become distant memories, but will live on always in the future of the United States Marine Corps.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the playing of the Marine's Hymn.
Tomboko lahy sy tomboko vavy manasa anareo am-panajana hitsangana mandritra ny hira fanevan'ny marine.